Welcome to the Student Academic Learning Services video on the power of a power rule for exponents. In this video, we're going to define the power of a power rule and look at the general form of it, and then use that general form to solve some examples. On the left-hand side of your screen, we have the power of a power rule, and on the right-hand side, we have some examples we're going to get to in a moment. Looking at the power of a power rule, if we have a base x raised to the exponent a, and then outside the bracket we have this exponent b, we can rewrite that as base x to the exponent a times b, and, well, usually that's going to give you some base to the product of those two exponents. Okay, so that's the power of a power rule in general terms. Let's take a look at these examples and see if we can concrete this in our brains a little bit. We have 2 squared to the exponent 3. So we're going to rewrite that as 2 to the exponent 2 times 3. 2 times 3 gives us a product of 6. And then 2 to the 6th is equal to 64. Okay. Looking at our second example here, we have 5 squared and then exponent 3 outside the bracket. So we're going to rewrite that as base 5 to the exponent 2 times 3. Again, that's 5 to the 6th, and that's equal to 15,625. So you can see with exponents, the larger our base and the larger the exponent, the larger our final answer is going to be. So it might be worth your while to locate your exponent button on your calculator if you haven't done that yet. That concludes our video on the power of a power rule for exponents. If you have any questions regarding the material covered in this video, you can come to the SALS Center located in room 204 of the Student Services Building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.